How to download CapCut application. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on how to log in. In today's video, I will show you the simple process on how you can download CapCut application. And before we start the video, let me tell you that CapCut is a simple video editing tool to use wherever you like. You can create videos on your browser, your desktop and laptop, or on your phone. Now in order to download the app, you have to firstly head over to the Play Store or App Store on your device. And there you have to search for CapCut. Now in order to get the CapCut, you simply have to tap on install button. Now the CapCut app has been already downloaded and installed to your device. Now that was the quick and easy process on how you can download CapCut app on your device. Hope you understand and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.